What's up guys, back again with another video. So I've actually come across this new thing called blocklike.js. It's a JavaScript library and you can actually use it to learn how to make cool little games inside of the um, website. Just yeah. And so if you've heard of Scratch, it's a online thingy to make little online fun games, and like it's consisted of like these little block thingies right here. These are like functions and stuff, and just like, yeah. And so what this JavaScript library does, it has all of these, but it helps you do it like in a more realistic way by converting all these blocks to actual code, basically. So I hope that made sense. So um, yeah, so to get started, um, let's just get right into it, okay? So let's go to, well, no, we'll show you an example first, actually. And so I have a hello world here. So if you click the start button, the flag, it'll do a little guy and say hello world. This is that simple. And later on we can make it move and do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. So yeah. So I recommend you go check out scratch.mit.edu or something like that, whatever it's called. Just search Scratch in the browser and you'll find it. So to get started, we're gonna go back to the main page, and we're gonna need this thingy right here. So just copy this and save it. And I'm using Visual Studio Code to do this. You can use whatever you want, obviously. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna make a new HTML file, and I'm gonna use Emmet to start up our thingy here, and we'll say game. We'll say hello world. So first we're gonna make a basic program, of course. So to get started, we need to copy this code down here at the body into the body tag, and then we're gonna make our own JavaScript to mention here. So we need our own. So link script, excuse me. So script. We'll name our script app.js. So over here, we're going to need a app.js, of course. So app.js, and this is where our code will be. So for every single one of these little game things, we're going to need a stage and a, what's it called? Oof, I don't know. What was it? Stage and a sprite. Okay, so stage is basically just your layout, like the whole thing, the layout of it. And so yeah, so to make a stage, we're going to do constant because it's not going to change. So we're going to use ES6, of course. So const stage equals new block like dot stage, and make sure stage is capitalized, of course, guys. It's case sensitive, of course. So yeah, so we got our stage down, and we got to have our sprite too. So const sprite equals new block like sprite, and it's no, it's not the drink. It's just JavaScript. So let's get started by we have our sprite, which is just a general like sheep. So that's what it is. It's just a sheep, and so yeah. So our stage, like I said, is just our layout of the program. Oh, I don't know why this is open. Rip. uh, Whatever. Okay, so our stage is the layout of the program, so we can add stuff to it. So we're gonna do stage dot add sprite, and then we pass in the sprite name, which is just sprite, right? See up here? We can name it whatever you want, and then we can change this to the same thing. So it'll work the same way. So use that whenever you're making a new sprite, of course. And later on, we're going to be able to pass in values. So stage add sprite, and then we're going to have a function here. So we're going to say, like this will be, here, let's leave a comment here. When flag is pressed, say hello world. So sprite dot when flag, so that's when the flag is pressed, and we'll have an arrow function here. Sprite dot say hello world. So yeah. So I'm using a live server, so I'm gonna right click and then open this up. You can just open it up the regular way, just open up the file. Where is it? Oh, I can't find it. It won't let me open it. Oh wait, do it here. So now we open up live server, and now you're here. So as you can see, if we click, this will come up. So let's reload. So we have our flag here. So if we go back here, it says when flag. That just tells the program or the game to start. So click this and then it starts running. So when flag, we just clicked it. So say hello world. So we can change this. So hello, yeah. So that, hello, yeah. So you get the point. So if we remove this, nothing's really going to happen. Just the sheep will be there. So if we reload, we'll just have the sheep. So yeah, this was a simple program that we made with Blocklike, and it's actually really simple and really fun to do. So we'll get more into some more advanced stuff later on, and I hope you enjoyed, and peace. Oh, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and yeah, leave a like.